Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial inspired by my lizard earrings from Honey Bubble Handmade. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, go do that. You can win any pair that you want, one winner. Okay, so we start off with the concealer and then we're gonna go in with some tape. And I kind of haphazardly did this, but I wanted to be even on both sides. And I started to put in a blue color. Even though it looks like I kind of haphazardly did this, which I did have a vision for it, and this is exactly how I wanted it to turn out, so I'm very happy. So then I'm going to go in with black, and this is going to use it's going to be like an eyeliner basically. So when we're done with that, like super simple, right? I just like packed in some blue, packed in some black. I mean, how awesome does that look? I think that could have been a look. That could have been the look, but I was like, no, I had a vision. So I went in with the Silk Naturals highlight color. The earrings that I have very much that tone in it. It's hard to see it like when you're far away. When you're up close, you could see it. So then I went in with the My Secret Weapon glitter glue, and then I just picked up some black glitter, and then I picked up blue glitter, and I put it on top of the black, and I just kind of packed it down. Then I started doing my face. I was super crusty this day, so I went in with my Rockstyle Cosmetics Brightening Serum, and then I go in with the Rockstyle Cosmetics Complexion Cream. These are 30% off right now on my website. The sale is ending the end of this month, so go get it. Then I switched this up a little bit and I did some, this is actually concealer that I'm using, and I just wanted to really contour, and I just got super overwhelmed and my camera was like, there's no more storage. So I was like, let me just do the rest of this off camera. So this is the end result. Hope you like this video. I threw on some eyelashes, put on some eyeliner on the bottom, switched my outfit, and put in my lizard earrings. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to check out Rockstyle Cosmetics, my cosmetic line. Again, we have 30% off right now of original packaging. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.